In a serene village along the Kunene River in Namibia, for childhood friends, Kia, Temba, Liso, and Naro grow up surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the desert meeting the water. The villagers thrive on the blessings of the river, which provides fish, fertile soil, and fresh water. Elders teach the children to always honor the river, calling it Oshili, the giver. Kia, the resourceful one, often organizes their fishing expeditions. Temba, the storyteller, entertains with tales of the river's spirit. Liso, the healer's apprentice, collects herbs from the riverbanks. Naro, a dreamer, sketches scenes of their adventures under the baobab trees. One day, a drought hits the region. The once bountiful river shrinks to a trickle, and the village struggles to survive. One evening, as the friends rest by the riverbank, an old man with a weathered face appears. He introduces himself as Etoto and speaks of a hidden spring deep in the mountains that can restore the river. Etoto warns them, "The journey will test your hearts. Only those who remember to give thanks for every blessing, no matter how small, will succeed." He hands them a carved wooden vessel. The next morning, the friends set out, each carrying supplies. The first few days are filled with excitement as they marvel at Namibia's stunning landscapes, dunes glowing in the sunrise, herds of oryx grazing in the distance, and the echo of their laughter in the vast openness. However, the journey grows tougher. Food runs low, the heat becomes unbearable, and tensions rise. Kia, frustrated by the group's slower pace, complains that they're holding her back. Temba, tired of being asked to entertain, begins to grumble about being taken for granted. Liso, worried about their dwindling herbs, grows irritable and blames the others for not preparing better. Naro, overwhelmed by the hardships, withdraws and stops sharing his sketches. Amid their discord, they fail to notice the vessel dimming, its once bright carvings fading. One evening, as they camp near a barren gorge, Naro accidentally drops the vessel, cracking its surface. The old man Etoto reappears, shaking his head. "You have forgotten the first lesson. Gratitude enriches life, while ingratitude impoverishes it. Look around. What have you given thanks for?" The friends realize their mistake. They had taken each other, and even the beauty of the journey, for granted. Ashamed, they vow to change. From that day forward, they begin expressing gratitude for small blessings. Kia praises Temba's stories, which lift their spirits. Temba thanks Liso for her herbal remedies that soothe their aches. Liso appreciates Naro's sketches, which remind them of their shared purpose. Naro, in turn, thanks Kia for her leadership. As their hearts lighten, the vessel begins to glow again, guiding them closer to the spring. They encounter challenges, a sandstorm, a collapsed path, but their unity and gratitude carry them through. Finally, they reach the spring, a crystalline pool hidden in a lush oasis. They fill the vessel and whisper prayers of thanks. As they turn to leave, Etoto appears one last time. He reveals that he is the spirit of the river, sent to test their hearts. The river gives life, but only to those who honor it with gratitude. Remember this always, for ingratitude is fatal, not to the river, but to those who forget its gifts. When the friends return, the vessel's water transforms the Kunene River, restoring it to its former glory. The villagers rejoice, and the friends share their tale, teaching everyone the importance of gratitude. Over the years, Kia, Temba, Liso, and Naro become village leaders. They ensure that the river is cherished and its blessings never taken for granted. This story, steeped in Namibia's vibrant landscapes and cultural values, captures the essence of gratitude's power while warning of the dangers of ingratitude. Lesson of this story is gratitude enriches life, ingratitude impoverishes it. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Life Reset African Stories channel. Bye.